Hi everyone, I'm Ruth from Ruth Mary Jewellery, and I've decided not to partake in Black Friday. Instead, I'm going to be giving tips on cleaning, repairing and remodelling jewellery, and basically just making the most of everything that's already in your jewellery box, because a lot of people have an absolute treasure trove, and so many pieces in there probably just need a little bit of TLC. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in the next day or two, and also just giving some free tips, right? So if you've bought a piece of jewellery, you want to be able to make the most of it. So cleaning. So first up, I'm going to tell you how to clean your engagement ring. Now, your engagement ring you'll probably be wearing a lot of the time, so it's going to get grub and dirt and all of that kind of thing. So first thing to do, double check all the stones are in place. I've got a very humble engagement ring that my husband proposed to me with when I was 19, and it's got a little diamond, and so if I'm cleaning this, just need to make double sure that the stone's in place. So I'm going to tell you how to do this at home. The other thing is know what your stones are. So any sort of hard stone, so diamond, ruby, sapphire, aquamarine you'll be fine with, topaz, any kind of quartz you'll be all right with. Then I've probably missed a few off, so if there's a stone I haven't mentioned, then just mention in the comments and ask me about it. But those are stones that are quite hard, sort of hard wearing enough, so the easiest thing to do is get an old toothbrush. Needs to be quite a soft toothbrush, nothing too hard. You could also use a soft paintbrush or something like that, or a cosmetics brush if you've got one that you want to throw out. And just get some foam from washing up liquid, just a mild detergent, and then just get in there and get all the dirt out. The reason I say make sure that the stone is secure before you're doing that is, and then just double check there's nothing wobbly afterwards, is if you haven't cleaned your ring for years and years and years and years, then sometimes what can happen is that actually the stones end up sort of being held in by all the oils and things like that. So in the case of diamond, it's made of carbon, and oils are made of carbon, and I've got a chemistry background, so I could go into all the geekery. But basically, you've got two things that kind of quite like each other, sort of oils and diamond, opposite of oil and water where they don't mix. So yeah, they're going to sort of stick together, and if you then start getting all the oils out, then the diamond might go walkabout, and we obviously do not want that. If your ring hasn't been cleaned for so long that actually the toothbrush and all of that isn't quite cutting it, then it's probably best to get it serviced and get a jeweller to look at it. So something that I can put on in the ultrasonic, for example. There are various things that can be done, and then given a bit of a polish up. So yeah, that's something that you can do to clean your jewellery when it comes to engagement rings. With other types of rings, then I'm going to be releasing more videos and more tutorials on what to do, and also what to do in order to repurpose your jewellery and repair it and just make the most of what you already have.